من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Hafiz Bilal and you are watching the qualities of the Arabic letters. Inshallah, in this class we will learn the permanent qualities without opposites, because in the last class we finished the permanent qualities with opposites. Okay, and here we are going to start without opposites. Like in these qualities, there you will not see any opposite of these qualities, so the all qualities in this are alone. So before going to start, make sure to subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes, and don't forget to click on bell icon for new videos, or you can visit our website for further information www.islamicclasses.com. Let us start now. Here you can see the permanent characteristics with opposites. The characteristics are the qualities. Okay, as-Sifaat-ul-Lazima ghayrul mutadada. Okay, so which are without opposites in Arabic. So you can see there are 7 without opposites quality which are here. Inshallah, step by step we will learn these all qualities and you will understand what are basically these qualities. So the first one is here as-Safir. As-Safir means the whistling. The second is al-Qalqala, the vibration. The third is at-Tafashi, the diffusion. At-Takrir, the repetition. Al-Istitala, the elongation. Al-Lead, the ease. Al-Inhiraf, the drifting. Inshallah, today we will start as-Safir, the first quality, what is and what is the meaning of as-Safir. Literally means the whistle, and the whistle sound we make in these letters which are coming. Technically it is the natural occurrence of a whistle like sound emitted while pronouncing the letters. Inshallah, I will tell how we apply this as-Safir quality in these letters. The following letters contain this quality. So there are 3 letters. The first one is za, sin, sad. So these 3 letters have basically a Safir quality. So, and if you remember in the Makharij lesson, the articulation of Arabic letters, there was one Makharij from where we deliver these 3 letters together on the same place. Like of these 3 letters, Makharij is 1, and the Makharij of these 3 letters is the same, which is when we touch the tip of the tongue on the inner side of Sanaya Sufla along with the upper incisors. As you can see here in the image, you can see the Safir is whistle. So you look when we read these letters, so how the Safir sound comes. So we say za, or if we say az, look, the sound is coming az. This is basically Safir sound, and the second is as. What's happening? As you can see, when we touch the tip of the tongue on the inner edges of Sanaya Sufla, so there is a little gap between both teeth, and the sound goes to the outside, and which makes this whistle sound. As we say again, as, as, and in the sword it is as, right? So the one common thing which you have to remember, like these all 3 letters place is the same, like the Makharaj place is the same. What is different between these letters? So the qualities makes the difference between these letters. And what is that? As you can see here, each letter has 6 qualities. So you can see the first is za, sin and swad. So in the za, the first quality is jahar. As you read already these qualities in the previous tutorials. If you didn't watch my before tutorials, I suggest to you to watch my that tutorials to understand this lesson. So za has al-jahr quality, al-rakhawa, al-istifal, al-infitah, al-ismat and as-safir, as you can see. So the safir quality is in all of these 3 letters, like in za, in sin and in swad. So if the safir quality is in all these 3 letters and also the makharij of these 3 letters is the same, so what is the difference? So different is the another qualities which makes the difference. And what are that? In the za it's al-jahr quality. In the sin you can see it is al-hams, hams quality. Al-hams means hams, which is the flow of air, like we say as, which we say the continuation of the breath. Okay. And in za, what happened? In za jahar, the discontinuation of the breath. The breath is do not continue, and we say only as. So here is no, the air is flowing. In the sin, the air is flowing, and also in the swad, like os, os, and in the sin, as. So look the difference now more. In sin and in swad, the hums quality, which I told right now, both on the both letters you will see the air is flowing. The next rakhawa, in the all these 3 letters they have rakhawa quality, and the first 2 in the za istifal, in the sin also istifal, means these both letters have light quality. So this is the basically thing in the swad. Al-isti'la, al-isti'la, the swad is different from the za and sin, that it has al-isti'la quality and one another al-itbaq. So these 2 qualities are in the swad letter, and when we add this quality, what happened? The back side of the tongue goes to the upside, to the roof of the mouth. So this is basically we read already in the last classes Sifaat, if you remember that. So we say al-isti'la and al-itbaq quality. So if we, so these are the basically the difference between za and sin letters. In the za and sin there is all qualities are the same. There is only jahar and hams quality different between za and sin, and in the swad there is only al-isti'la and al-itbaq and al-hams as well in the sin. I hope you understand these. So just we practice little bit and then you will understand. And here you can see in the za and sin, the tongue is not going to the upside, to the roof of the mouth. That is the difference. So we say the za as, and you also pay attention on the makharaj and the sound of safir. Safir basically we are reading here. So these all 3 letters have safir quality. As, 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 aus, aus. Right? I hope you understand this difference between these 3 letters. Inshallah, in the next class we will read another quality of the permanent characteristics without opposites. And also watch my Makharij videos, and then you will understand the difference between Makharij and qualities of Arabic letters. So keep watching, stay tuned, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.